So, hauled the battery for Stomper in the back of the Tacoma. And I don't have the trunk lid on right now because the hinges got broke. I don't know, back at the sand dunes or something. And didn't think nothing of it. Threw the battery in the back, went around a corner, battery fell in, busted the air line off of the compressor. So just went over to the local fittings and hoses shop, got the end repaired, and gotta fix that. Hoping to go do a little New Year's Day wheeling tomorrow, and yeah, I need a break from working on trucks, I think. But anyway, so we're in the barn, hence the reason you can see my breath. And yeah, I'm gonna pop the tailgate off so I'm not leaning over so far. Set that off to the side and get this thing replaced quick. Got the hose replaced, just plugged it back in and turned it on. We can fill her up, and then we'll check for leaks. See what happens from there. I should probably replace that lid, or the hinges. I have the lid, but I need new hinges. As you can see, they got kind of broke and bent. So off to do a little New Year's Day wheeling, and it's like everybody is either hung over or had other stuff going on, because it's only got 4 rigs with us today, which is all right. Small groups are way easier to keep track of, and we're not mad about that. So we're gonna get out and have some fun. Got Dad riding with me today, and we got a couple of Jeeps, and me in this, and Blake in the 4Runner, so should be a good time. So we just getting a little snow overnight last night. It was down to green grass everywhere, and just starting to get a little snow again. Winter's coming back finally. Wish it would all stayed. We could have just kept piling it on. This is northern Michigan winters the last few years, so get what we get, I guess. It's never a bad day to get to water. I wouldn't want to go out on it, but yeah, it's having fun. Beautiful day in northern Michigan. So we just had a really good lunch at the Yankee Boy restaurant. Had their hangover burger, which was, I don't know if that was a New Year's Day special or if they always have it, but it was really good. It was like bacon, egg, and cheese and hash browns on top of a burger. Was wonderful. We're gonna go across the street, get some more gas. I think we're gonna go hit the Beaver Dam Trail. Just locked in the hubs. I've been driving in 2-wheel drive all day so far, but we'll try a couple little hills. He just disappeared into the trees, and there he goes, coming out of the trees. Sounds like I lost my truck. I hear Dad in the driver's seat. perfect out here with the snow. Yeah, that's what I heard. I was right. He couldn't bear to watch any longer. I don't know if he knows what he's doing with all them levers in there, or the air locker buttons or not. Making gritty noises with stuff. He held the rev limiter too long and it went into limp mode. Just having some fun in the area I call Rainbow Spaghetti right here, and playing on the hills.
.40-inch holes.
I had to try the slow method first. Anybody can do it with momentum.
True.
I don't even
I
have
don't know, I tried it with two-wheel drive and I didn't make it.
yeah, I don't even have it aired down. This is like
Definitely some bump stop action going on over there.
Just going for a little putts down what trail I like to call the Beaver Dam Trail, because somewhere along here there's an actual beaver's dam. In the wintertime it's hard to tell where it's at because everything is white. Ooh, that's a deep hole. So there's a tree that fell right here, and I just weaseled my way through it. Now Aaron's weaseling his way through it. And we'll get Blake through there. But it's right next to the actual dam of the namesake, or my namesake. You fit through there great. Blake, I think, is playing on the log just to play on the log. I don't think he's skinnier than us by a long shot. So right here is the actual beaver dam. Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Blake is thinking that if we potentially would need to use my hitch for recovery, it's not going to be an option because it's so packed full of clay and mud after trying to climb that one hill. You can see the pile of it on top of the bumper there. So, yeah, about that. Yeah, it was a nice clean truck when we left. Oh man. Yeah.
It's not even mud there.
Yeah, just piles, globs of mud and dirt on them. We're having a good time. Alright, so we just did a little bit of window washing with some snow after checking out the beaver dam. And we're going to keep making our way down the trail here. See if we can get through the other end or not. No, because that's like a special offset tie rod. I don't know what you do about that. That don't look good. That don't look good at all.
I feel like we're leaving it here, taking it apart, and taking parts to weld.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Dang. So you can see there's a dent in that stump where it kind of just slid me right up this log. And then it hit that tie rod right at the knuckle and broke it off. You can see on the, if I can get it to focus here, the, yeah, it's trying to, but it's, yeah, anyway, lame. Thankfully, we're right by my buddy Kyle Nixon there from Special Ops Motorsports, and he's gonna maybe bring us a couple of tools and see if we can do something with it.
Here comes our recovery vehicle.
Huge thank you to Kyle. He actually had a straight version of the 1-ton tie rod end on the shelf at his house, thankfully. Was able to bring it over to me, and we got it back together enough that I can get out of here at least today until I can get the correct tie rod. But yeah, we're gonna keep seeing if we can make forward progress here. Well, we're driving straight. I'm guessing that the alignment's a little off after our tie rod breaking incident. Tried to eyeball it and line it up best we could, but yeah. We'll have to bust out our off-road anonymous alignment plates and square it up later. So Kyle was actually going to take his family for a hike, so we're just gonna follow him back towards our place until he turns off and we keep going. Hot water from the garage and a pressure washer is the ticket to freshen this thing back up and get it ready for our next adventure. Thanks for watching.